guys, and welcome to another studio vlog. So this week is a very exciting week. I am preparing for the eHearts market, and if you've been with us since last year, you'll know that I did one in November with lots of other talented artists and illustrators, and yeah, we're doing it again with Emily Harvey Art, and it's going to be really exciting. It's this weekend and I'll be offering 20% off in my shop, and yeah, so I've been preparing the website for that, and I also will be launching a few new products. So if you're seeing this after the event, then those products should be available yeah, on the website. So I've had a bit of a jiggle around on the website. I can't remember if I mentioned that in the vlog last time, but yeah, I've sort of been updating pictures and improving the layout and everything. So I'm really pleased with how it's looking, and I hope you like it too. And yeah, so you can see I've got my mic out. I'm just about to do another tea time podcast for my patrons over on Patreon, and yeah, I'm going to talk about all the updates that has been going on, some behind the scenes stuff, what I've been working on, as well as the eHearts things. And yeah, I've got a few projects on the go, so I'll be talking a bit about those. And yeah, I will show you in a bit the new A4 planners, because I've got them now and I can give you a proper look at them, which is really good. So yeah, I'll do that in a bit. So I'm now off to record the podcast, and I'll catch you in a little while. Well, hello my beautiful flowers, and welcome to the Tea Time podcast. So this is episode 33, and I've got my cup of tea and a little piece of cake, and I'm ready to get cozy in the studio with you guys and tell you what's been happening. Overlapping those lilac-y ones a little bit, just to kind of blend them into the painting so they don't just look stuck on or like they don't belong. Guys, so it is Thursday, the following week from when I recorded last. I have been getting on with things and just not filming, so I'm gathering up some of my new stationery to package up to go to my display at the local business centre, and I thought it would be fun to bring you along and show you how I'm packaging it, and show you my new desk setup, because I've made a few changes and I'm really pleased with it, and now I'm going to have some better filming angles to film from for certain tasks. So let's get started. Okay, so I thought I would put one of the weekly planners, one of the monthly, and a couple of the DL notepads, because then I can always top them up. I'll just see how they go up there. So I need to put some stickers on the back, and I need to put them in cello bags to protect them. Yeah, so let's get started. So I might do these big ones first. So let's go with the weekly planner. So on the back, I just want to put my icon sticker and my web address. I do at some point need to get them made into like one sticker or a stamp to make it easier and not have to have two separate things, but for now, for time's sake, I'm just going with what I've got. So I'm just going to put it in the middle at the bottom of the back of the notepad, and put one of I just created a really simple sticker with my web address on, just so people know where this has come from, and just going to pop that underneath. So it's not the best, but at least people will know who made it and be able to look me up online as well. So that serves the purpose. So that's ready, and I just need to put it in a cello bag, and I need to make sure I get the right size. I've got quite a few cello bags left over, and I want to eventually move over to more of an eco-friendly option, but since I have several left, I wanted to use up what I've got first and not waste them. So Let's see if this fits in here. I hope it fits. I did have some other size ones. Oh, I think I might need to use the A3 ones for this. I'll save those for the notepads. So I'm just going to go grab those and I shall be back. Okay, I found them. I was having to think where I put them. So these aren't ideal because they're a bit too big really. I don't know which way they'll fit in. Let's see. But like I say, I'm just using up what I've got rather than buying any more that fit exactly. So it doesn't really matter as long as it protects them. That's what I want them for. So that will do okay. Sorry, this is going to be quite squeaky, I think. I think I'm just going to use some regular tape to stick this because I've found that washi tape doesn't stay stuck down, it just lifts up again. So I'm going to grab my sellotape and pop a little bit of that on just to seal it up. Okay, so that's one done. I think that looks pretty smart. So I'm now going to do the monthly planner. I do have that already in a, I think it's a 10 by 8 bag. I didn't have any more of those left though, so I couldn't use that for that weekly one. But, so I'm just going to carry on sticking the stickers on the back, and I'm going to packaging, and I'm going to do the same for these DL ones as well, and I'll catch up with you when I'm finished. Notepads packaged up and ready to go. I know there's only a few of them, but I'm just going to see how they do, and like I say, top them up if necessary. So I'm gonna amend the inventory on my web shop and to account for these ones going to the business centre, and yeah, so that's that. So I'm just gonna go on my website and quickly not TikTok. So I'm just going to go on my website and adjust those quantities so I don't sell out of those. Yeah, so I just need to find them on the products list and amend those. Make sure I do it on the right ones, because I've got some seconds of the Be Together stationery as well, so I need to make sure that I don't choose those ones. So it is, where is it? A4 weekly planner. Right, so that's that updated. Now I just need to amend the price list for the business centre, because these products are obviously new, so they're not on the list. So I'm going to go do that on the computer now and send that over to the manager and yeah, get that updated. But first, tea.